Yeah, a lot of credit unions now have savings caps. It's not something that credit unions wanted to do, but if you think about it historically, credit unions, the way they operated was they took in savings from their members, they lent it out then to members to take out a loan, and anything that was left over, any surplus that was left over, was invested. And there was a decent return from the investments, and through that then the credit union was able to pay a dividend and sometimes an interest rebate. Unfortunately, that world has changed now completely. So number one, our loan demand has dropped significantly, primarily because of COVID. But in addition to that, the rate of return that we're getting on our investments is very, very low. And that situation has been in place for almost 10 years now. So we've absorbed it for the last 10 years, but that's something that we really can't do going forward. And unfortunately, a lot of the banks now are charging negative interest rates. So the money that the members are saving with us is actually costing us, because we're investing that with financial institutions that are actually charging us for the pleasure, if you like, of lodging the money with them. So as a result, credit unions have had to introduce savings caps. Now, some credit unions have them as low as €10,000. Our savings cap is €30,000, and members who already have that amount in the credit union haven't been asked so far to withdraw that money. Having said that, we would encourage members to look around for maybe a higher rate of return elsewhere. So for instance, state savings are still offering a rate of return. Now, it's a low rate of return, but it's better than zero, and it's certainly better than negative. That would help the credit union, and it would help the member as well. There is another alternative as well. We have a secured savings loan rate of 6.5%. So the great advantage of that is that a member can keep their money in the credit union, take a secured savings loan out where their loan is guaranteed by their savings, and get this discounted rate. The advantage there is that they continue to get life savings insurance on their savings and get loan protection insurance on their loan, both of which there's no extra charge for. So there is a big benefit there, all right. The great thing about these secured savings loans is that they're approved usually instantly, and certainly on the same day. So that's something that we would encourage members to look at if that's an option that suits them.